Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Create a custom Smart Collection in Lightroom Classic CC. You can edit the rules of the Smart Collection to suit your needs. For example, if your Smart Collection includes any photo with a 3-star rating or higher, you could adjust the criteria of the collection to include photos with 4 stars or higher by changing the rules for the Smart Collection. However, it is worth noting that you cannot rearrange photos within a Smart Collection. You cannot sort a Smart Collection by user order, and you cannot drag and drop photos to move them within a Smart Collection. To edit a Smart Collection, right-click the Smart Collection from within the Collections panel, and then choose the Edit Smart Collection command from the pop-up menu that appears. The Edit Smart Collection dialog box opens and displays the current settings for the Smart Collection. Use the drop-down menu and options within the dialog box to adjust one or more rules for the Smart Collection. When you're done, click the Save button to preserve your choices and close the dialog box. Lightroom Classic CC applies the .lrsmcol file name extension to Smart Collection settings files. You can share a Smart Collection by exporting its settings file. Exporting a Smart Collection does not export photos, it only exports the rules for the Smart Collection. However, this can be helpful if you work with more than one catalog in Lightroom Classic CC. After exporting the rules for a Smart Collection in one catalog, you can then import the settings file for use in another catalog. To export a Smart Collection, right-click the Smart Collection within the Collections panel, and then choose the Export Smart Collection Settings command from the pop-up menu that appears. The Save dialog box then appears on screen. Enter a name for the settings file into the File Name text field and specify a save location for the file. Then click the Save button. To import a Smart Collection, right-click the Smart Collection set from within the Collections panel. Then select the Import Smart Collection Settings command from the pop-up menu. The Import Smart Collection Settings dialog box then appears. Navigate to locate the .lrsmcol file you want to import, and then click the Import button. Lightroom Classic CC then adds that Smart Collection to the Collections panel. Any photos that match the criteria from the settings file are automatically added to the new Smart Collection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.